How has privacy rights history shaped modern digital laws? Imagine living in a world where your personal information is constantly being watched and used without your knowledge. That's why understanding how privacy rights have changed over time is so important. It helps you see how laws today protect your digital privacy and personal freedoms. Long ago, foundational documents like the United States Constitution and the Magna Carta set the stage for privacy rights. These documents protected individual freedoms and the privacy of your home from government intrusion. They created a basis for future privacy laws. In the late 1800s, the idea of privacy as a legal right started to take shape. An influential article called The Right to Privacy was written in 1890 by Samuel Warren and Louis Brandeis. They argued that people should have the right to be left alone. This was a key moment that pushed privacy into the legal spotlight. Later, in the 20th century, courts expanded the idea of privacy. A famous case called Katz versus the United States in 1967 helped. It decided that the Fourth Amendment, which protects against unreasonable searches and seizures, also applies to electronic communications like phone calls and emails. In the 1970s and 1980s, governments created more rules to protect personal data. The United States passed the Privacy Act in 1974, which controlled how federal agencies handled personal information. The Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development also introduced privacy principles that guided how data should be collected and used. As technology advanced, new laws emerged. The Children's Online Privacy Protection Act was passed in 1990 to protect kids' online data. The Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, or HIPAA, was enacted in 1996 to secure health information. These laws addressed digital privacy concerns directly. More recently, the European Union introduced the General Data Protection Regulation in 2018. This law set strict rules for how companies handle personal data and gave individuals more control over their information. It inspired similar laws around the world, like the California Consumer Privacy Act in the United States. Knowing your rights today means understanding that you can control your personal data. You can ask companies to delete your information, refuse to share data, and opt out of targeted ads. These rights are built on a long history of legal battles and laws that have shaped how digital privacy is protected. Practical steps include giving consent before your data is collected, requesting access to see what data companies hold about you, and asking for your data to be deleted if you no longer want it stored. You also have the right to refuse to sell your data or be targeted by advertisements. By understanding how privacy rights have evolved, you can better protect yourself online. These laws are designed to give you more control and ensure your personal information is handled responsibly. Staying informed helps you keep your digital privacy safe in today's connected world.